So I was in Port Harcourt a few weeks ago where I met up with one of my most successful students on YouTube. Currently, he has 38,000 subscribers, and we had an interesting conversation. We centered around how we actually met, how I helped him get started on YouTube, how meeting me and going through my trainings actually helped him build a successful business on YouTube. His name is Coach Vine, and the interesting thing is that he actually met me when he was 16. Right now, he's about 18, and he's making a lot of money on YouTube with 38,000 subscribers. So again, it's important that you actually sit back and relax because you're going to be learning a few things from this particular video.
Hey everybody.
Nice
to meet you.
You're looking good. You're YouTube money. That's good to see you. How many subs do you have on YouTube right now?
Yeah, I think almost 35,000.
35,000. So how long?
Let's
Okay,
say,
that
but,
YouTube.
okay. I started that channel like 2 years ago.
Years ago.
Yeah, but I became serious with it like let's say 7 months ago.
7 months ago. Okay. So all the good things started happening about 7 months now.
Yes.
Okay, it's interesting. How about you have other channels?
Yeah, I do have other channels. Other channels I'm not sure my face. I'll be more bigger there. Yeah. All thanks to Sir Gerald.
No, because Ryan is somebody I'm very proud of. Right, he's one of my students that he has made this journey very easy. But when I tell people that this is what is possible, I just point to him, and I'm glad that we're actually here having this conversation today.
Exactly.
So, how much do you make on YouTube on the average every month?
Okay. Should I start with only my personal channel? All of my
No,
channels?
everything.
Okay, all of my channels are average close to 10,000.
Oh wow.
Sometimes, like let's say on a month, like some more that I know too much.
Wait, $10,000 is a lot of money. How old are you again? Just tell them.
Okay. October 1st, I turned 18. So 18, some month. So I'm 18 years old.
So
yeah.
at 18 years old, you are pulling $10,000 every month on YouTube and everything that you do.
Yes.
And you also told me that you bought a car for your mom.
Yeah. Earlier this year.
And you did all of this at 18.
Oh, the car 17.
Well, 17.
She's 17, yeah. That's my mom make car.
Wow. So I keep telling people that it's important to have these kind of conversations, because I want people to understand the fact that YouTube is changing lives.
Definitely.
Right? YouTube is changing lives. And as a matter of fact, when you reached out to me, you were 16. If I remember correctly.
Yes.
Because you told me then that you couldn't create an AdSense account.
Yes, I couldn't create
because you were not up to 18.
Oh yes.
And I jumped on a call with you.
Yeah, and told me I should use like an older person.
Yeah.
I used my mom's phone.
Okay.
To create
it.
Yes.
You see. So you see one of the things that attracted me to you, truthfully, was the zeal, right?
Yes.
When I see people who are serious, I jump on a call with them and have a conversation. But when somebody comes to me and says, Gerald, I'm trying to start YouTube, I don't know how to start, or I don't know, it's crazy. Or somebody comes and say, good afternoon, sir, I want to make money online. Be specific, it doesn't make sense. But when you come and say, Gerald, this is exactly what I'm trying to do. You've tried it and you are having challenges. It's easy for me to jump on it and say, okay, help you out with this or that or that. So I want to commend you and also advise the people who are watching this video right now that this is how to get these things done, right? So some of the things that I've actually taught you over the years, I'm sure that you have. We are talking about retention rate.
Yes. So you've thought about
tell us about that.
Retention rates. Okay, man. Before I did reach out to Sir Gerald, I don't pay attention to the hook of the videos that I make. Right? Even my own faceless videos. One of the things that Sir Gerald told me, the key important of making like a YouTube video go viral is focusing on the hook aspect. So when I started focusing on the hook, I started getting more retention rates, more people watching the video, definitely generating more revenue. There you go.
Which is actually the most important of all of this. So the point is that YouTube can actually change people's lives. My life has been affected positively, right? You are an example, and I have a host of other students who I'm going to bring into this channel to have similar conversations so that we can actually guide you on what is possible and what is not possible on YouTube, right? Because the year is almost coming to an end. I'm sure you had expectations for this year. I don't know if you've made them. I don't know if you've not. Or you started a YouTube channel, you don't have the direction where it's going. You don't understand what's happening there, So what I've done is that because I cannot meet everybody one by one, just like what I said earlier, excuses are the tools of the incompetent. And most time when people actually come to me, they don't have a specific question. They just say, I want to make money online and all of those things, right? So you might have a question that you need to ask me, right? And I might not be able to actually attend to you individually. So this is what I've done. I have created a free training that would actually help you get started on your YouTube journey when it comes to making money online on YouTube or building a profitable YouTube business. And all you need to do is to go to theyoutubeschool.com, right? It's on your screen right now, and the first click in my video description. So just go there. It's a free training that will guide you step by step on how to get started on YouTube, and of course how to reach out to me personally if you actually want me to guide you on your YouTube journey.
As a matter of fact, there are no excuses. It's 100% free. The training is free, so you'll not be like, oh, sir, I have to pay before I start. It's free. Just go to theyoutubeschool.com, then watch the free training to get started, and you're going to get 100% direct access to my boss. So like what Sajera did for me, he's doing it on a bigger scale so everybody can benefit. I've benefited, you also can benefit, your siblings, your relatives can also benefit. All right, all you have to do right now is just to go to www.theyoutubeschool.com to get started. This year, no excuses.
So you heard from Coach Vine, right? He's somebody that he's making a lot of money on YouTube. If you just go to YouTube right now and search for Coach Vine, you're actually going to see him. So your story can actually be like his or even a lot better. So what you need to do to actually get started is very simple. Just visit theyoutubeschool.com, right? If you're actually serious about building a profitable YouTube channel in 2025, this is exactly how to get started. So click on the first link in my video description or just go to theyoutubeschool.com. Actually watch the free training. Now, I've also made a video before now about another student of mine, Efe, who's a secondary school math teacher in Warri. He's teaching mathematics on YouTube right now. If you go on YouTube right now and search for OnlineHustleTV, you're going to be finding his channel. The last time I checked, it was around 60,000 subscribers or so, right? And Efe is pulling in a lot of money every single month on YouTube. This could actually be you. It doesn't matter which country you are in the world, right? You can actually take advantage of this offer right now. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys inside of the YouTube Money Secrets training.